We often hear that life is purely a reflection of who we are. There's one thing about knowing it and another about truly adapting to it. When we believe in manifestation, most of us try to manifest things in our lives, but many of us are constantly seeking externally. When you seek validation, significance, or external outcomes, challenges arise. When things don't go as expected, confusion sets in. You might blame the universe, God, or even others. They upset me. They did this to me. But here's the truth. Every time we point fingers outward, we need to turn that focus inward. Hey, beautiful soul. I'm Bobby Bal. Welcome to Soul Bombers, your channel for inspiration, growth, and connection with your true self. Today, let's explore a deep truth about life that can transform the way you think and live. My mentor once told me, every time you play the blame game, stop and reflect. Turn the finger inward. This shift helps you move from being a victim to being a victor. The outer world is a reflection of your inner world. While this concept can be tough to accept, especially when facing negativity, it's rooted in vibrational energy. True manifestation begins when you align with your authentic self, not just on the surface, but deep within. To truly connect with your inner self, spend time in isolation. Whether it's a solo retreat or simply staying offline and alone for a week, take the time to ask yourself, how do I feel when I'm by myself? Are there insecurities, frustrations, or emotions surfacing? Recognize them. They're not you. They're layers of conditioning. Use this time to heal, reflect, and connect deeply with your soul and the universe. Mirror work can help. Look into the mirror daily and ask, do I see happiness, confidence, beauty? Remember, I believe you are all of these. You wouldn't be here, hearing this message, if you weren't destined for greatness. Let go of societal conditioning. Surrender your current identity. Spend time with your soul, not just with others. As you embrace this transformation, your outer world will reflect the beauty within. Peel back the layers, face your fears, and let go of your traumas. When you do this, life responds beautifully. The journey starts with you.